Hey guys, this is Joe Spies. One of my apprentices just picked up this house in Vancouver. Look at this cream puff. They paid $180,000 for it. They just sold it to an investor for $192,000. It's a $12,000 profit. The former tenants left enough furniture here that once we rehab it, we'll be able to sell it as furnished. So, but the investor's going to make about $90,000 after all the fees. And the investor is pretty excited. The apprentice is excited. And I got the excavator out here working. Let me see if he's excited to be here. Lauren! Shut that off. Are you excited to be here? You're on video. Are you excited to be here?
Living the dream.
Nice. All right, guys, I'm going to check back in with you after we get this thing on the market. I'll let you know how it turned out.